How to hide friends on Snapchat. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let's learn how you can hide friends on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your application Snapchat. Move into your chat section. Search for the person that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this person. Long press the profile of the person that you want to hide. Click on Chat Settings. Tap on Delete Chats. You need to set these settings to after viewing. There is no any option or the feature where you can hide your friends, but what you can do is clear the conversation of the person. Clearing the conversation will automatically disappear the inbox of the person. So click on the option Clear from Chat Feed. Here it says that it will clear the chat but it won't delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So tap on Clear. There you can see that the conversation of the person has been hidden successfully. If you want to contact this person again, what you need to do is click on this search icon and enter the username of the person and then tap on their profile. Send any text to this person and it will reappear the conversation in your inbox. There you can see that the profile has been appeared successfully. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to hide friends on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.